it's not muted. Because normally I would mute it. Um, but it's not gonna be a long live stream because my partner soon come back, and I mostly like live stream when I'm by myself because I could just be, I don't know. I don't know. I could just be, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I got this is grape soda, but I don't want to start drinking the grape soda until I'm done eating because it's gonna give me a stomach ache because I eat anything all day. You feel me? Okay, laptop here. See, I'm on my streams. I always do this, like go on my streams, watch my streams on all my laptops. I just like that. I really do. I fuck with it. You feel me? I fuck with it. I fuck with it. How the fuck would I pause? And this laptop. And oh shoot, this. Oh, it's a, what the hell? Why is it on sleep mode? I didn't put this laptop on sleep mode. Don't play with me, laptop. Don't be on sleep mode now. I'm about to eat. Just give me a second, y'all. I'm just trying to make sure I'm on everything. My thing. Cause I don't want to do this while my hands is in the food. I don't like touching my tablets, my phones, or my hand while my hand is dirty. Really don't. Yeah, we got the Macs. We got the MacBook Pros right here. Okay. Look at that. 2 screens of me. Boo-boo. Oh, 4 screens of me because I'm watching them. What the hell? Damn, I left the brightness up this much. What the hell? Why didn't you tell me to put the brightness down? I'm like, why am I falling asleep? No, I'm lying. I ain't falling asleep. But I don't like this bright filter. Like, I like... See, I still gotta finish painting the walls. I didn't get a chance to, but... Like, I could fuck with this. Okay. I be wanting to watch TV and everything, but it's like... Copyright. One of my videos, they put age restriction. I'm like, I wasn't even doing anything and had full clothes on. I peeled it and they approved it. I'm like, what's wrong with y'all's YouTube? I was even dancing. I'm like, what the hell? It's so good. Give me a second, y'all. The food's so good, I can't even talk. I've been running errands, job hunting. I went to the dentist. I was babysitting my best friend's kids. You ever cook food that was so good you don't even want to share it? It's so good, it made me want to slap my mama.